Greetings. Hey, I would just like to say I am so happy that out of all the quotes that we got and received, that we went with Quality Craftsmen. I tell you, Luigi and Adi, they have done an excellent job, beyond my expectations. The quality of work and their professionalism, their patience, their kindness. I tell you, I am definitely going to share what they did with others, and definitely I will do referrals. I've already have a couple people that I know said, depending on how my bathroom comes out, they want to take a look at it, and then if it looks good, they would probably go with Quality Craftsmen as well. So I cannot say thank you enough to these fellows. They did an outstanding job. Like I said, being a man of the cloth, I wouldn't say nothing at all before I tell a lie. These guys have did a great job, and from a scale of 1 to 10, they get a 15. So once again, I'm going to share, I'm going to give some referrals to you all, and preferably they will request your service and be as happy as we are. So again, thank you. Have a great, safe, wonderful Thanksgiving. God bless.